Welcome back to State Champs. You probably not have heard, but a local group of middle school students recently became multiple national champions and are preparing now for the World Championships. I guarantee I'll lay money down on the fact that it's not anything you can imagine. The amazing story of Highland Park's George Washington Carver Academy's Golden Tigers. To the untrained eye, this might look like a glorified game using erector sets, but if you believe that, you're dead wrong. This is erector sets on steroids. It's a sophisticated exercise involving math skills, computer programming, design, and engineering.
The idea is, if you remember with erector sets, it got children into thinking out of the box and being innovative and putting things together, and we're trying to recapture that with these type of project-based learning STEM programs to inspire the next generation of scientists and engineers.
The 6th, 7th, and 8th graders of the Golden Tigers Vex Robotics Team have too many trophies to mention. You can simply call them champions. Their victories have come against some of the best high school and college competition in the country.
We won the Michigan State Tournament, and we beat great schools like Cranbrook Schools, De La Salle Collegiate, the University, Michigan State University, the Roper School. We're talking some of the best high schools in the state. And this group of little middle school kids from Highland Park, Michigan, showed that they're competitive with anybody in the region.
The opportunity to travel across the nation and compete against the greatest competition has its own reward.
Robotics is just mostly about building your robot, make sure you have fun with it, going to tournaments, doing the best you can to get first, going to the Worlds and Nationals, and at the same time, you still get to have fun with it.
But there's also nothing like the thrill of taking down high school and college squads.
They give us like the little mean look, like, it's all right, we got this, we don't have to worry about it, we're going to win. And at the end, we always win because they just get a little too big about themselves and think that they will win just because we're middle schoolers.
I used to be nervous, but after a while I started to get used to it, and yeah, I compete with a lot of people older than me. Like at the Michigan State Tournament, we had some college students, but we tried our best and we did the best.
It's more than competition. What we're trying to build is the next generation of engineers. And one of the ways we prepare them for a global marketplace is to introduce them to science, technology, and engineering through these type of contests to stimulate them to want to pursue these as career paths.
One way or another, the Golden Tigers plan on being in Orlando to compete against the best in the world. And yes, they're in it to win it.
We just have fun. There's no point to it. We just get what we have to do done, and then when we get to the tournaments, and we get there and kick butt. That's it.